but it could also speak to the financial upside or lack of upside, at least in terms of how much you're going to make from ad revenue. So one of the questions that you should be thinking is how much are businesses willing to pay to advertise to this demographic? If you think about it, if it's auto reviews, someone's actually going to buy a car, and if it was a loan product of some kind, perhaps, or if it was insurance of something like that, that'd be a lucrative audience to advertise in front of. It might be harder to sell auto insurance on a Minecraft playthrough video. So again, that's the thinking we want to develop. And so think about this. What products are being sold to this audience? If you're selling medical services to baby boomers, they need a lot more medical services. Medical and health services are incredibly expensive. Think about cancer treatments. So sometimes the CPMs of the health industry can be $50, $60, $80, $100 plus. People that are doing investments or getting loans to Gen X. So now we're combining just age and industry. What about SaaS solutions for business owners? SaaS stands for software as a service. What about luxury cars? What kind of content has an audience that would purchase luxury cars? And then what about fast fashion and drugstore makeup? What kind of content maybe does have a high margin business still, but it's more like, even if it's more affordable products, fashion makeup? What about app downloads to gamers with in-app purchases? Maybe that's not as much of a high CPM, but it's a massive reach. So typically, if you go into something like luxury, you have smaller amount of buyers, a smaller audience, but a higher value. And then on the flip side, if you go into something like gaming or mobile gaming, you have millions and millions and tens of millions of customers potentially, but maybe the amount you're earning, the CPM per view, and even the economics of the app itself, it's a one-to-many play.